maker muna ngayon. The first task natin is wash your hands with car. 2 hands. Yes. That's next is pressing the dough with palm. With your palm. Tingnan mo, sir.
Harder.
After that, the stretching. Ganyan lang yung stretching, sir.
Oh.
Yan. Ay, ito naman, Sir Jared. Gawin mo.
Meron silang farm. Pero,
Malaki natin, Sir Jared, ha, para matos mo siya. Para malakas mo siya matos.
Excited.
Alam mo ba yung tossing?
Look. Look.
Alam mo, Sir Jared.
Oh.
Oh, next. Ito naman. Right-handed ka, Sir Jared? Right-handed?
Oh, right hand.
Close your left. Come here. Go to the close your left and then open your right. Open your right and then nakaturo siya dito yan. Tapos pag nabitin mo sa Jared. Para magkasya sa left. Yan. Tapos ito throw mo to. So pag ano lang siya. Yo!
Whoa!
Yes, one more time. Nakasap. Yan. Oh, di ba, sir?
Oh!
One more time again. Close your left and then the right. Yan. Bakas.
Oh!
Very good. Sige, malaki na natin, Sir Jared.
Oh, look.
From Goggins. Tapping sa tayo, Sir Jared. Malaki na natin, Sir Jared. Okay. Tapping sila.
Toppings. You know what's toppings? The one they put on top.
Oh,
That's why they call it toppings.
nandun po natin. So, go around.
Yes. Spread. Ganda. Other sides. Slowly and gently. Yan.
There you go.
Next natin is the mozzarella cheese. Ayusin na natin siya dyan. Mozzarella cheese ka na siya dyan. Spread din. Sample. Spread.
Put your hands a little bit higher so that it could scatter.
You can use your 2 hands. Yes.
Spread it along the dough, not only on one side. Perfect.
Thank you, Ma'am, sir. Salamat po. Next is the pepperoni. Yeah. Pepperoni yung pepperoni. One by one. Yeah. Ayan. Oh, isa.
You put it, try to put it evenly. Scatter it all over the pan. Yes.
And
You
then,
have to bake
kaya
it, bake it on the oven.
yes, i-bake na natin siya sa brick oven. Ayan. Ayan. And then, picture ka na kay Lolo, kay Grandpa. Ay, saan niya start up? Ay, saan ka lang? Sorry, sir. Hey, father.
Grandpa?
Sorry, Jared. It's your dad.
Knock knock, brother.
Ayan.
Alright, there we go.
Hi, Keys.
Naka-video naman, good style. Yep, alright, great, great. Yes.
Pa-text ka na lang po sa Jared. Sir,
Alright.
pag BNB kayo, sir.
Red, wave by some other look.
Ah.
Oh. Is it hot? Of course it's hot.
Sara natin para mas ano pa yung hot yung ano niya. Yung tawag dito, yung init.
Alright.
Watch it ka na lang yung